The Fischer concrete screws for quick and easy installation at heavy loads. Fischer concrete screw UltraCut FBS II, the high-performance concrete screw for absolute installation ease. The adjustment washer FSW for an easy adjustment in timber construction. When installing the UltraCut FBS II vertically or using a hollow drill, no drill hole cleaning is necessary. The expansion-free anchoring of the UltraCut FBS II ensures low edge and axial spacings. The approved adjustment allows the screw to be loosened twice for a total of 20 mm. Align and underlay the attachment part by a maximum of 10 mm. With up to 3 embedment depths, the UltraCut FBS II allows the same screw to be used for different attachment part thicknesses. The Assessment ETA Option 1 regulates the use of single-point anchorings in cracked and non-cracked concrete. It meets the highest earthquake and safety requirements by being rated according to Seismic Performance Category C1 and C2. With the use of the checking gauge, the concrete screw in galvanized steel is approved for multiple use on temporary fixings. The unique sawtooth geometry enables a fast and deep cutting into the concrete, even with multiple use and in reinforced concrete. The specially hardened red tip of the stainless steel screw provides a faster and more secure installation. The Fischer UltraCut FBS II CP concrete screw with its innovative surface coating offers additional corrosion protection covered by an external test report. UltraCut FBS II for railing fixing, incline supports, shelving systems and pipe routes. The Fischer concrete screw UltraCut FBS II US in galvanized steel with the new approval is suitable for concrete connections or for strengthening of existing concrete structures through a top concrete layer. The optional SC/ST setting tool enables fast and effortless installation. For increasing of the load-bearing capacity of concrete structures or the renovation of old buildings. Together with the concrete screw, the adjustment washer FSW is used for the easy adjustment of wooden beams or slippers. The FBS II 6-10 in galvanized steel and the FBS II 8-10 in stainless steel are ETA approved for masonry brick as well as solid and perforated sand lime brick, suitable for applications such as radiator installation or TV mounting. Fischer concrete screw UltraCut FBS II, the high-performance concrete screw for absolute installation ease.